Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I'm good. So finally I came to Canada after 4 months and it was not an easy journey and little bit risky also actually. And I'll share my journey experience with you all. So it helps to the people who especially travel with kids. Okay. Actually I went to India for vacation, me and my daughter. So my husband has to come, but he couldn't able to come because of this coronavirus lockdown and all international flights got cancelled. Me and my daughter spent a very good time in India with all my family members. Especially my daughter enjoyed very much with her grandparents. At the same time we were missing my husband too. So we thought if the reputation flights can run, so he can register and he can able to come with that, but he should be in quarantine if he comes to India, and in the hotel he should be there, but we don't know, right, the hotel is hygiene or not. So it's my personal opinion. I feel home is the safest place in the world, isn't it? So I decided like I can travel to Canada once these international flights runs. So I was searching for international flights when these are going to start, and I follow Twitter regularly. So I got the update regarding this reputation flights going to start for Canada and USA. So government scheduled some flights to Canada and USA. On June 5th they opened the booking slot. So I booked ticket. Before to that I couldn't able to book the ticket actually, because everyone was trying to book the ticket, so Air India's site was hanged at that time. So luckily the next day I able to book the ticket. So I booked from Delhi to Toronto, and again I have to book the domestic flight to reach the Delhi. So I booked from Chennai to Delhi. So Vistara flight I booked. So again after some days this Vistara flight got rescheduled to the another day. So if it another day means I can't travel. So I called to the Vistara customer care, and they told we can't reschedule it from Chennai. So they can reschedule it from Bangalore. So that's the good thing actually. So I can escape from the cancellation charges. So I rescheduled from Bangalore. So that day came. I started to Bangalore, and via car I started. So in the Karnataka border they stopped us. So we showed the e-pass and flight ticket, then they allowed us. So we reached the Bangalore airport, and then we were stand up in the queue. So they checked the temperature and they allowed us to go inside. So we checked in the baggages, but the bad thing is I paid extra money for the baggages, because they are not allowing second baggage, because nowadays domestic flights are not running regularly, right? No one is going, so that's why they are not allowing second baggage. So I paid for that, and I requested them to take my cabin bag. So they took that one. That was very nice. And we went to the boarding gate. There we spent some time, like by having breakfast and all. I packed breakfast, for dinner, for the whole journey I packed food, and 2 water bottles also we brought there. So it's good if you guys also pack your food for the whole journey. Okay. And then they started the boarding process. So they checked again the temperature, and they were giving the PPE kits, not PPE kits, like a face mask, face shield and sanitizer kit. Okay. Yeah, for everyone they gave, and who booked the middle seat, they gave one gown to them. So I booked myself for the middle seat, so I got that gown. So it's okay, we can wear it. It's not at all problem. It's very lightweight also. Flight got started to Delhi. So landed in Delhi at 3 o'clock, and I met my fellow passengers who were traveling on the same flight, and it was a good thing. And before to that I collected my baggage with the airport helper. So we sat at one place and we have our lunch, and we were waiting for the process. So at 6 o'clock time they started. So they gave 4 forms for each person. So I got 4 forms, and for my daughter also got 4 forms. So we filled those forms and we stand up in the queue with that luggage, huge luggage, and there was no special queue for kids like who are traveling with kids. Okay, everyone has to be in one queue only. And then after filled these forms and they checked, and they allowed us to go inside with the checking the ticket and the temperature. Okay, and you should be wearing mask, they are checking that also. And we went inside. Before to the check-in counter, there is one more counter. They are checking, not that counter, just they are sitting to the in front to that check-in counter. They are checking this thing like visa. So open work permit visa, they are checking we are eligible or not, they were checking. So mine is PR card, so I showed my PR card and they allowed me. So we went through the counter, we checked on all the baggages, and after that it was smooth actually. We went to the security check, immigration and everything done, and we went to some place, and there again we finished up dinner and freshed up. And we were waiting for the boarding gate, which number they are going to give. So they gave finally seventh gate, number 7, and the flight got delayed by 3 hours. So I waited in Delhi for 12 hours from afternoon 3 o'clock to morning 3 o'clock, and it was very difficult to manage with kids. So I keep on sanitizing her hands, and I was wiping my mobile with disinfected wipes, and my handbag also I wiped with disinfected wipes. So kids don't know anything, right? They touch everywhere. So we have to take care of them. So I keep on sanitizing her hands, and myself also I did, and mask also they are not wearing. So I requested my daughter to wear mask. I was telling some stories to her to wear mask like that. And then finally they started the process for boarding. First they gave the face shield, this face mask and sanitizer to everyone, and gown for middle seat persons. And then Air India staff members like crew members, pilot, everyone got late at the same time, like 3 o'clock they came. The flight going to start, right? At that time they came. After they came, the flight got started. So everyone entered into the flight, and the food also they packed in a cover, some roll and samosa, bread, something they were packed. I didn't touch actually. And snacks was also there. So we had snacks, some snacks, and they gave 2 water bottles also. Everything they packed and kept in the seat. So we kept those things in under the seat, and we are sat, and the flight got started. So 15 hours, after 15 hours flight got landed in Canada at 9 o'clock 3 minutes. 9:03. So that I remember very well. And then they are not allowing everyone to go out. They are allowing only, they allowed 30 members. Okay, 30 members at a time they allowed. And we have to walk for some time, like 10 minutes to reach the immigration counter. So finally we reached there and we showed our PR cards and passports. In the flight itself, they gave one self-declaration form for each person. So for me and for my daughter, 2 self-declaration forms we got. In that we need to fill our names, address, where we are going to stay, okay, and the phone numbers, mail address was there. And then one custom form they gave. So we need to fill everything, like what we are bringing from India, is there anything goods like that they mentioned. So those and all we can take no. So we have to fill those forms, okay, be ready. And at the immigration counter, immigration officer was good, it went smooth. And she asked me about the quarantine plan. So I told I am going to stay with my husband. So she informed me like, your husband also has to be in quarantine, you 3 has to be in quarantine, okay, she told. Yeah, we said okay and we left from the immigration counter and we dropped 2 self-declaration forms in that one box. So outside one person will be there after the immigration counter. So I mistakenly dropped my customs form also in that. So I went to collect my baggage. Their airport helper was there. He helped me and he charged some dollars. And he told me like, you need to have that customs form. So I went back again and I asked them to give. Yes, I requested. So I got that customs form. So that custom form we had to give to the custom officers while coming out. And then we met my husband, he was waiting outside and we traveled to my home directly. So you can't stop anywhere, you have to go to your home directly, okay. And then now we are in quarantine. So far it's good. Now we are in quarantine. So this is my whole journey from India to Canada. Hope it helps you all. If you like my video, please subscribe and do share and like. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.